today's agenda, I have to wash my everyday brushes, which also includes my mini brushes. These are the brushes I travel with, so I have to clean all these brushes today. And I haven't even had breakfast yet. I had my coffee and yeah, I think I'm gonna start. I can't find my charger for my battery, so you have to put like this battery into an apparatus to charge, and I cannot find it. And I'm on my second battery. That battery is dead. This battery is full, and once this battery dies, I don't know what to do. I've spent the whole morning looking for this camera charger, and yeah, I have one more place that I think it might be in, and if I can't find it, I'm gonna quit. Also, this beeping in the back, I gotta go. Okay, I didn't find my charger, but I found the cutest gloves ever. This was a gift from an ex-boyfriend of mine, like over like 15 years ago, no lie. These were like his grandmother's gloves. They're rabbit fur, and his mom gave them to me. I loved his mom. To this day, I still love his mom. Like, I would still be her friend because she was amazing. But she gave me these gloves like one Christmas, and I've had them ever since, and I lost them, and I wanted to wear them so bad this winter, and I didn't know where they were. And now, looking for my camera charger, I found them. So how amazing are these? I'm gonna have these literally forever because they're so gorgeous. Also, I've been doing a lot of like arm workouts, and I feel like I look jacked low-key. But I'm probably not, but I feel jacked. I need to get my life together. I need to eat something. I have a coffee that's probably cold right now that's just been sitting in the kitchen, so let me get my life together. Oh my god, guys, something amazing just happened. I got my temporary esthetician license in my email today. It's gonna get mailed to me soon, but oh my god, I'm finally an esthetician. I could really cry right now. Like, it's been forever. I had the money and I paid my debt with the school, and I finished my hours, and now I'm a licensed esthetician. Oh, amazing things are about to happen. I'm so excited. I actually got this yesterday, but today I'm really feeling it, and oh my god. These are my favorite toners. Hands down, the best. I can't wait till I can finally start shopping more like med spa products. I love my Korean products, but I really want to try stuff that's more medical grade. still can't find my camera charger. My battery is doing good, this one, but once this battery is done, I'm gonna have to vlog on my phone, and I have so much stuff on my phone. It's crazy. And I still haven't ate breakfast. How am I losing weight? As you get older, you just like get more stressed, and there's so many things on your mind, you can't eat anymore. Welcome to adulthood. 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna make protein pancakes with some bananas, and that is going to be my lunch. That lighting was so bad, so sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna use this with some protein powder that I have there. Nah, bitches really don't be having no ass. Shake my fucking head. Yo, being from New York and having a Facebook is different. It's actually hilarious. Yum. Can you even see me? It's actually crazy that I'm eating this right now, because I usually only crave this when I'm about to get my period cakes, and it works for me. I'm a pancake girl through and through. Like, I love pancakes. I love sweets. I'm a sweets girl. I'm not a savory. Guys, no, the fact that I can't find my charger, and this one is like on 2 little batteries, so I think I might like vlog on my phone. If anything, I don't really want to. I'd rather like vlog on my camera. I just feel like it gives like real, like a vlogger energy. And now I can't even do that. Like, my whole day has been postponed because I'm looking for my charger, and it's probably like right in my face, and yeah, I just can't find it.
Hi, sheepy. Hi.
What is that noise? But yeah, you know when you like defeated and you just have to like sit on the floor? That's what I feel right now. I feel hella defeated. This Charlotte Tilbury, I don't know what it's called. It's an under eye corrector. This is my favorite product for my under eyes ever. Possibly getting a tattoo tomorrow, so that's interesting. I was not expecting to get a tattoo at all, but I can't. I feel like I usually only get tatted when I'm going through something like bad in life, and right now I'm going through like really good things. Like, I'm in a really good place. I have a really good head on my shoulders, so I feel like this is a new type of feeling for me. Super excited. So yeah, I'm gonna actually go on a little stroll with my puppy. She's actually sleeping. Look. Not my door, just slamming. It's giving haunted. This house is not haunted, but that was giving haunted. Wear it like this, but my puppy out because it's been a while and I actually need to get out the house because looking for this damn charger has got me bugging out. So I think she found a balloon. Oh wow, mamas! I know there's sand getting in her eye, which is not a good thing. God, she's thirsty, but yeah, I am back home. That was a fail. It was extremely windy outside, so I wore this halter top underneath my shirt for nothing. Thank God I wore the shirt because it's actually kind of cold outside, which is like so weird because yesterday was kind of hot. But yeah, since I didn't stay outside as long as I wanted to, I'm gonna cook some dinner. I'm gonna make some chicken salad with white rice and some tostones because I'm Latina and I don't know, I love carbs, so yeah, I'm gonna make that.